Welcome to this introduction to BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation. In this video, we'll cover the fundamentals of this standardized graphical language used for modeling business processes. What is BPMN? BPMN was developed by the Business Process Management Initiative and is now maintained by the Object Management Group. Its goal is to provide a shared language for business analysts, technical developers, and managers, facilitating clear communication between process design and implementation. Basic elements of BPMN. BPMN is based on four main categories. Flow objects, including events, activities, and gateways. Connection objects, such as sequence flows and message flows. Swim lanes, which group activities based on roles or departments. Artifacts, which add extra information to the diagram. These elements allow you to diagram processes in a clear and understandable way. Flow objects. Events indicate the start, intermediate, or end of a process, while activities represent the tasks that need to be performed. Gateways control how the process branches and flows depending on defined conditions. Lanes and artifacts. Swim lanes, such as pools and lanes, help categorize activities according to specific organizations or roles. In addition, artifacts, such as data objects, groups, and annotations, add clarity and context to the diagram. In summary, BPMN is a powerful tool that facilitates communication and enhances efficiency in business processes. Thank you for joining us.